Hello, children. I am here once again with a new chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. This chapter is a biographical account of a Nobel laureate and scientific genius, Albert Einstein. It is said a quiet and modest life brings more joy than a pursuit of success bound with constant unrest. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Germany, city of Ulm. His mother thought he was a freak because his head seemed unusually large. He didn't speak until the age of 2.5 years. When he finally started speaking, he uttered everything twice. He loved mechanical toys and preferred being by himself. The headmaster of a school Einstein studied in told his father that no matter what career Einstein would choose, he would never be successful. He played the violin and later became a gifted amateur violinist. He went to high school in Munich and left the school at the age of 15 because of feeling suppressed. His parents had moved to Milan and left him in Munich with relatives. He got to continue his education in a city much more liberal than Munich. He was interested in physics and was highly gifted in mathematics. He studied at a university in Zurich. His personal life was and his works are mentioned in this chapter for you. And his personal life was that he fell in love with Melivia Merrick, whom he thought was a clever creature. She was a girl whom he started loving very much. But at the age of 21, he did his graduation from the university, but he was unemployed for a long time. He worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. He secured a job in 1902 finally as a technical expert in Bern. Bern is the capital of Switzerland. In 1905, one of the famous papers was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. He also derived the world's most famous formula that describe the relationship between mass and energy, that is E is equal to mc square. Einstein wanted to marry Melivia, whom he loved very much, after finishing his studies, but his mother did not approve of it, as she thought Melivia was too old for him and was a book just like he was. She was very intelligent and his mother thought that she won't be a good companion for him. They finally got married in January 1903 against the wish and will of Einstein's mother, and they had 2 sons. Unfortunately, they divorced in the year 1919. Einstein again married his cousin Elsa the same year. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 proved that it was accurate. His theory was accurate. He had correctly calculated the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field in advance. His work was considered as a scientific revolution. He wrote a letter to American President on 2nd of August 1939, warning him about the happenings and the bomb the Nazis had planted to use. He wrote a public missive to the United Nations, proposing the formation of a world government, but it made no impact. He died in 1955 at the age of 76. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. So, my dear students, it is a short biography of Albert Einstein, and the title of the chapter is A Beautiful Mind. And we can say that Albert Einstein had a beautiful mind. He was not only intelligent, he had not only given lots of different theories in the field of physics and science, but he was a very gentle and thoughtful human being. And he had thought about the peace and harmony in the whole world, and that's why he had written a letter to and warned the US government of that time, and he had tried his level best to form a world government in the form of UN. And UN means that United Nations, and he was the pioneer and initiator of this organization. He had formed this organization which works for the world peace and harmony. Thank you. God bless you.